Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Cancers, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, these cards for your relationship, and these cards for your career situation. I'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle Guidance. So that will be your Oracle Guidance, what you can do every day. It may clear your doubts or any confusion you have in your mind, Cancers. So let's start with these cards first. We have Strength in reverse, Two of Cups and Nine of Pentacles. So in your situation, Cancer, in your career or in your relationship, you have maybe you feel that you're weak in some ways. You don't have that firm conviction on something. There are some things worrying you, maybe. So it may be the reason, maybe your expectations are not fulfilled, some kind of troubles because of that. Or in your career situation, there is someone trying to control you, and they are trying to dominate you, dominate your decisions or dominate your actions. That may be the reason for stress and worries in your situation, guys. So you are facing some difficulties either in your career situation or in your relationship, guys. But we also have positive energies with these cards. So something is bad and something is good. Maybe your career situation is in troubles, and in your relationship you have a perfect, beautiful understanding with them, with this person you love, or it may be vice versa, guys. And Cancers, you are also happy for certain things. You may be seeing a business collaboration or a partnership. So some new venture is coming towards you, opportunity is reaching you, or it may be with this person you love. You both share a beautiful chemistry, understanding, intimacy, and things are going in a very positive way in your relationship, maybe, guys. And you have that sense of completion, happiness and joy today. Things are going in a very positive way for you guys, maybe in your relationship, and you may be seeing some minor troubles in your career. But overall, Cancers, I see that you are satisfied with your life. You are happy how things are going today for you guys, Cancers. So that is what I see, guys, for with these cards for your general energies. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship. We pick 3 cards. We have the Moon, 7 of Wands and the Devil. So with these cards in your relationship, you have a lot of dreams and goals, fantasies. Maybe you are living in your own fantasy world. You have huge dreams, and maybe for some of you, you are just dreaming, not going for that action, guys. If that is true, you need to go for efforts. So, but I also see that you are struggling against something, guys. It may be some kind of addictions you have in this that is worrying you, or that is coming in between you and this person, creating troubles in this relationship, guys. So for some of you, you are having some addictions, guys, maybe drinking or smoking, and you are making tremendous efforts. Maybe you are trying really hard, but you are unable to overcome these addictions. This person is also helping you. Maybe you are struggling and you have this person with you, and you have lot of dreams and goals for your love, for this relationship. But these addictions are coming in the way, obstructing the way things are going between you both. So for some of you, this person is helping you come out of it, but for some of you, these addictions are the reason for troubles, and you're struggling to overcome all that, to get back to this person, to reach all your dreams and fantasies, whatever you have for yourself, Cancers. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Let's see what are the cards for your career situation, guys. We have the World, Queen of Cups, and Seven of Pentacles. So in your career situation, things are going in a very positive way. You are dedicated and a devoted person, just like what we saw with the previous cards. You have lot of goals, you have achieved few goals, happy for it, and you're waiting for the next path, whatever you want to reach, next goal. Maybe you are deciding on certain things, waiting for the right choice. You are happy for what you have done, and you are just waiting for certain things to come towards you, guys. And there is a sense of completion you have in your situation, guys. Happiness. And maybe for some of you, you are moving to a different place for work. You are traveling to a different place for work, maybe, guys. So you have taken up a job, or you are moving for a project. So some kind of travel is also there in your career situation, guys. So let's see what is the card for y'all, guys, Cancers. The oracle guidance for y'all today. Yin. So this card just means that sometimes we have to be on the receiving end, guys. Not always we can be the person who is making that decision or making the effort. So sometimes we have to just wait for things to come towards us. So this is the time for that. So you have to wait to let that person, you have to consciously allow things to happen in your career or in your relationship. That is the energy with this card. So in your relationship, you can let that other person make that decision, or let them hold that power to make decisions today in this relationship. So whatever they make or whatever they are telling you, it will just show what is there in their heart, and you will be able to understand them better, guys, and you will be surprised how this change is going to work for you, guys. So sometimes when you let that person truly decide for yourself, for themselves, and for yourselves, and for this relationship, things will take a positive turn, and you will be surprised how things are going to go for you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. That is the oracle guidance. So you need that other person to make the first move. That is what I mean, guys. So thank you for watching this video, Cancers. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Cancer.